lighter one to contrast it. So, oh, which one I should do first? This one? Okay.
So I'm asking.
Okay. Purple is kind of soothing and relaxing, and everybody fall to sleep, so we'll swap this on.
Yeah, so when you're doing yellow, make sure you get some really...
You know why I know that it's gonna fall to sleep? Because I didn't want to first. Oh my god, it's so hard. I'm never gonna get hang of it. It took me 4 years to learn is 3D flowers. I'm not kidding at all. So I just learned really good at it is past, I would say, not going to lie to you, is in 2000, not too long ago, 18, 19.
Somewhere around there.
I don't remember, but like just a few years ago. And I've been always struggling with this. I'm sorry with you, like struggling. I struggling too bad to the point that I took so many classes, and I don't know if flower know me, but I know it so well for so many years, and it's never being happy with me. And like, nope, Nancy, you can't get hold of it. And since I get it down like a few years ago, I continue keep practicing. I train all my staff, all my team, whoever that is have a hard time with the 3D. They're doing it really fast in like 1 day. They get it perfect. Me 4 years, but it means that I'm so happy for all of you to achieve this. It means that is one of my go into my career to crash off my bucket list, learn how to do a 3D. So when you have this, so now is great for beginners, and then for DIY, for nail lover. Promise, once you get hang of this 40, you can control its acrylic so freaking much better. It's faster, easier, because you get a concept already. Same thing concept with the 40, but I learned a different way. I learned it the hard way because I learned it from acrylic first. Then when it's 40 come, it's so much easier, but then I learned the other way. But then I say, oh my god, if I have this is 40 gels, no, I think it's just right before a 40 gel. So when I get hang of the 40 gels, I have a video I did even acrylic too with Glitz like 4 years ago. And then I when I get down master of acrylics or flowers already, and then we have a 40 gels because we want you to make it like easier, smarter, not harder. So I'm gonna put this one on here. Okay. So when we have this one out, I'm so happy because then it's going to be a great solution for all a nail lover with the 3D flowers. Makes your life so much better, and you don't have to be sitting on an hour to scripting and doing all of like with the film of your acrylics as well. All right, so I'm going to add a bunch of really cuties here. This is from the Valentine starter kit. Oh, I'm missing this part right there.
Jen request acrylic 3D at some point.
Yes, and then I will do it for is acrylic 3D some point when it's the weather's getting a little bit warmer. When it's weather's getting really cold. As for I feels like for all the nail tech is struggling was like really hard because you have to control the ratios. But I love 3D acrylics with acrylics. I will do it when the weather's warmer. I will definitely do it, Jan. But now when I have alternative way to using it 40 for substitute for the acrylics, I will do this because I like to work smarter, faster, not harder. Well, I like to work smarter, faster, and harder too. So I take a note on your request. Your request will be answered when the weather's is a little bit warmer. Because otherwise you're going to fall to sleep a lot. Because, okay, this bit doesn't work. Okay, move on to the next one. Yes, but also I do have the video with the 3D of petals with the flowers, with the roses. Really beautiful too. So I can send it to you too. All right, so happy with this. I'm going to clear this for 60 seconds. So it's great for a lot of beginners and nail